In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut a perfect terracotta sleeve that can fit on your shirt. So let's get started. First, you need to fold your fabrics into two. Arrange it properly for it to be fully aligned. After that, you iron your fabrics to make sure it's straight. So this means ironing. Once you are done ironing, you need to mark the measurement. So the measurement of this person is 15. I will be adding half inch for the sewing allowance, which is 15 and a half. Then for the folding allowance, I add 3 inches. The sleeve roundness is 16 divided by 2 give us 8 plus 1 inch, which is 9 inches. So I'm repeating the same length here again. Then you connect them with your ruler. After connecting them, you mark 6 inches from the top, 6 inches, and then you curve. You curve in form of an S. So this means doing the curving for the sleeve. After doing that, you connect the final part with your ruler, and this will give you a perfect sleeve. So this means taking the final measurement of everything before I cut. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button in order for YouTube to promote this video to others who will also benefit from it. After cutting, the next thing is to fold the bottom, then iron. So this means folding back the original length and then hiding the rough edge. Once you are done ironing, you then proceed to sew in order to hide the rough edge. So this means sewing, and after this you have your final look. Your sleeve is out and ready to use.